Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We'll just get a little quick video on 9 years or now 10 years out from when we met this guy. This is a 40-ish year old fellow that came in at age 30 with really fine hair, and we did 15 or 1600 grafts right at his hairline to fix those two little triangles. And then I never saw him again, which is so common. We just never see these dudes back again. And then he showed up last year just out of the blue and said that he needed some more hair. And so I was expecting this whole front to be gone, and all he really had was a little spot in his crown, probably this big. It looks like almost 8 years ago.
I think it was the spring.
And man, that looks good. And you got fine hairs. And as we were just joking, you weren't our first one, but 8 years. We've got 8 years more experience now than we had then, and that's good. And you got fine hair. And you're happy, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be happier.
Could you? Going against him is he's got the terriblest, finest, skinniest hair that you can possibly imagine.
But yes, we always say thin hair, and we say this. We tell you what they have against them. But if you look at those pictures, though, he looks great. It looks really good too.
So
you can get great results too.
You can. It just takes a lot of hair, and so here he is where we started, and then we did his front little case, and him at a month, and then we didn't see him back anymore. And then
9 years out.
9 years out, he rolls in, and his front looks great. And here's his crown that he had at 9 years. So we did, I think, 1,300 grafts. I was careful to tell all our cutters to cut them a little chunky, because even with those fine hairs, you don't want any singles back there in the crown. So we had 2s and 3s, so it was probably the equivalent of a 2,000 graft case since we cut him chunky, though. Then we put him in and did a good job cleaning, and he rolled in last week, getting ready to move out of the area for good. And he's got good coverage. The key with hair transplants is styling. So in the front, if you layer enough skinny trees, you can get good coverage. In the back, even on guys with thick hair, the hair splays out in all different directions, so it never looks completely filled in. But with some layering and some styling, he really looks good. He's got good coverage. He doesn't have a bald spot anymore, and he's got a great scar.
Yeah, and he's 11 months out.
11 months. So
yeah.
So if we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.